How you guys doing today? Today's episode, we're gonna buy some wheels for the Supra, and we're driving up about an hour and a half, and we're gonna take it up there just to make sure it will fit, so we can, So what we did, we took off the back seats on the car so we can fit these wheels that I got for last 2000 stock wheels. Last 2000. So we're gonna go pick up these new wheels and then throw the old ones in the back. So that's why I took out everything so we can fit them. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. We're just trying to give you guys some, updates on things out here. So stay tuned for more videos too. More learning videos. That's what I like doing. That's the car. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to get these wheels for my car. We're driving the Supra. It's taking us forever because it's really bad. My boy Don. Yeah, we're chilling. So we're gonna get these wheels. Stay tuned for this episode. It's a pretty fun drive. We're driving about an hour and a half, and we're just chilling. So stay tuned. Love that sound. Still on the road. So we got here, we're at this guy's house. He's got a GTR and a RX-7. We'll show you them in a little bit. I'm gonna get these wheels. We're test fitting them right now, and stay tuned and see how these look.
Going like NASCAR over here, man. This is NASCAR.
Looks fresh, bro.
Sorry.
Huh?
It's a good looking wheel, man.
Yeah, it looks good on it.
That's a good looking wheel.
You try them on your car yet?
I never. Never.
Why don't you like them?
This is the guy I'm buying them off of.
Put it right there. Just win $10 there later.
Say something to the camera.
All right, man. Say what's up to YouTube.
Sky's the limit, brother. That's what's up.
There you go.
All right.
Are you a Trump supporter?
All the time.
All right, Viva Trump.
That's right, brother.
All right,
All the
brother.
way.
Hell yeah, brother.
He's done my vote.
Hell yeah. We're talking about the cars. I'm telling them I got a small turbo Supra, and let's just see what we got. Oh shit. Huh? Nah, I gotta put shocks on this hood. That's gonna be my battery relocation.
That's just a
Yeah.
coil bar. I don't think it'll touch anything.
Yeah, right now no, but it's gonna be. I ran it for my battery relocation. So what do you think, man?
42R? No, it's good.
It's an 80 trim.
80?
Garrett.
Yeah, dangerous.
Yeah. So what do you got over here?
Let me tell you something, bro. You need a new fabricator.
I do. I bought it like that. I'm making my own.
You need a new fabricator, bro. What you mean, man?
Talking about my downpipe, sirs.
No,
Yeah, I
bro.
do. That shit looks like ass.
I did that myself, bro. Huh?
I didn't do that myself.
All right,
I would never do a job like that.
Why we?
Oh my god. Yeah, but this works. I put a exhaust on it. My exhaust looks good.
Why we? Exhaust looks good.
I made that.
Huh?
I made that shit. Nice. That's a sick ass. I like that.
Damn, you got the stacks right there.
Yo, this guy's trading me one of these cars. It's an R34 front end.
Yeah.
He's got twin turbo. What are they called? Tommies. What I say? Tommy with turbos on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And it's tuned on Helltac. So, yeah.
This one have to
You mind if I open the door?
go. Go ahead.
So we got an R32 with a roll cage, It's a pretty nice car. I don't know, I'm drawn towards Skylines and stuff. Love the wheels. It's fresh. And this RX-7.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
This is the built engine or stock engine?
It's just a bill head.
Bill head?
Ported head.
Nice.
Stock bottom end.
That's what I'm doing to mine. What kind of cams?
HKS 272.
A 272, so it runs pretty healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting 289s on mine.
Okay.
So I did, but I wouldn't have the right wheel. So I ran like a 14, bro. It was spinning. Yeah, it was bad. I ran a 14, bro. Give me that look again.
I'm surprised you're running 18 pounds.
It's so we're gonna buy these wheels. We're gonna rock them. So comment below to let us know if you would rock these wheels right away or you'll wait till you get home. I'm rocking them. Rocking them.
Let me tell you something about these wheels, bro.
Yeah, I read about them.
Let me tell you, no.
R33.
Which one though? Is it a DTR?
DTR, yeah.
What color?
White. He's up in New York.
I wouldn't do that. This is an NA car?
Huh?
This is the original NA car, right?
The original NA has 303,000 miles on the body.
Somebody drove this thing.
Oh, shit. You got big and nice turbo. Yeah, the Supra needs some work, man. It needs some work.
What was that?
The Supra needs a little bit of love.
Oh yeah, dude, it's nothing that this thing needed a lot of love.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. This thing needed a lot of love.
Looks like it got it.
Fuck it, bro.
Huh? Trade? Trade you talking about? You like Supras better?
Where's the exhaust at? It ends right here? The exhaust ends midwest? Careful, your GTR's back there. Your GTR's back there.
I know.
Good thing it didn't friggin'
No.
You don't like the burble?
I'm not doing that.
Oh, yeah.
All types of
I posted a lot of videos out there.
Yeah, IG's right there.
That's one of them. Evolution Auto. 609, I think it is. Yeah, 609.
Yeah, what iPhone is this?
Yeah, man. I just got back from the tour from the army.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I was trying to get to the state.
Back to this.
I forgot to put something down on my application, and they fucking. But the shit was pretty bad. I told the whole story.
The rotors in the back.
Huh?
The rotors and fake wheels. You might as well just put them on the curb. The rotors.
I might be selling for like $300. Anybody want to buy some rotors for $300?
Oh, word.
You recording?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, you can have this fucking thing.
Got it from S2K. They were on S2K, weren't they? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had, dude. I told you I had an S2000 back in high school.
I would have rocked
I
stock
had those
wheels.
same wheels on it.
I would have rocking stock wheels.
I thought I was, you know, I thought I had like some Meisters and shit on it.
Man,
Right?
that's 2K wheels are pretty good stock. They don't look
I
horrible.
traded those for some stock ones. Should I just cut the S2000 stock trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I already traded the dude.
Wait, you had the stock turbo wheels?
No, the S2000 ones.
What do you got?
These aren't my original wheels for this car.
Okay. You have an S2000 as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got an S15, S2000. I got a Ratchet with the truck.
Okay.
Got a trailer with this girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my girl Suburban. Yeah, I have my little
I had
garage.
a FZ09.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
How'd that ride? Pretty good?
So it runs awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had like,
Well-
I had like, you know, super sports and stuff, but the FZ to me is
Yeah?
it's too fun, man.
So that's how we do it out here. So we're leaving with these wheels. And now what you think? I think it looks fresh.
Especially like a car like that. Can't be fun. Fake shit. Let me ask you this, bro. Are these Cybon?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Front left
I
side
was about to say,
on
by next
everything.
year,
says-
they were red.
Listen to that sound. It's getting dark out and we're still cruising back home. We got the Supra. My boy's looking up some upgrades for the Supra. Because we gotta make this joint quick to solve. Winding it down. Yeah, we got the wheels in the back. You know, comment below. What do you think? They're secured, so that's it. Keep following. Yeah, just be like.
What is this, an interview?
Yeah, it's like a little interview. What do you think about the Supra, man? Like
Man,
What-
I don't know. I really like the wheels.
the wheels.
They're nice. I like the exhaust system. The exhaust sounds really good.
It does.
I see you have some like
It's carbon fiber.
carbon fiber. Okay, yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I just bought these wheels. I got my old wheels in the back.
Okay, all right.
Remember us earlier? We were here getting gas.
Yeah,
Were
I
you
saw
here?
you earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Oh,
was me.
all right, that's him.
I might have
So-
gave you like a little like attitude because you like yelled at me and I was like, all right, wait.
I did?
Nah,
I
you
remember
didn't
yelling
me,
at you.
but, like you were like, hey yo.
Fuck, I'm yelling at people and shit. Dog, did you yell at him?
Nah, but I see. you
Sorry,
guys
bro.
after.
But yeah, that's our car, man. I'm just chilling.
That's man cool, yeah.